Good morning. I just got out of the shower, so my hair's still wet. I apologize for that. Today's going to be a pretty fun, exciting day. We are going to the beach for a couple of nights. So right now I'm in the process of doing a few last minute things on my laptop, checking email and notifications on social media, doing the whole business thing before I leave, setting, like the I'll get back to you notification type things. And then a couple things I need to do downstairs. I need to clean the cat box, take out the trash so it's just not a mess sitting there while we're gone. And then it'll be time to load up the car and hit the road. Oh, wait, I should probably stop at Safeway and get a few groceries before we go. I would like to get road trip snacks and beverages, at least coffee drinks, even though I have a coffee now. I want to get coffee drinks for while we're at the place we're staying. We're going to be going to Rockaway Beach here at the Oregon coast, and we have a little beach house rental condo type thing. I'm really looking forward to it. It's gonna be neat. I don't know what time we're leaving. Right now it's 9:10 a.m. We can't check in until 4 p.m. but we want to leave sort of early, not like right now early, but early enough so that we can make some stops along the way. We were thinking, since we have to pass through St. Helens, Oregon anyway, that we might as well make a quick stop at the Spirit of Halloween Town in the town plaza and see all the Halloween decor. We've done it many times. It's kind of an annual tradition to stop in there and see our favorite giant pumpkin in the town plaza. So that's what we'll be doing here soon. But first, coffee. Here we are in Spirit of Halloween Town. We're going to do a quick walk through and then get back on the road. That was a quick, soggy trip through Halloween Town in the town plaza. Get some photo ops for Shorty's Instagram, so go check that out. Now it's time to head towards the Oregon coast. Wow. So this was used in Twilight as the bookstore that Bella went to. Look at all the cool decor. Oh, Shorty sees another doggo. We are now in Astoria, Oregon. We parked at the baseball diamond parking lot, and we are going to walk this path to the Goonies house. It's much easier to do it this way than to try to park in the neighborhood because there's a lot of no parking. Are you excited to go to the Goondocks? We made it to the Goondocks. There it is. And then there's Data's house that he would zip line across. Sorry, I'm out of breath. It was all uphill.
I'm not that good of an artist.
Drawbridge. Get it. Uh-huh. You're funny.
Sometimes.
We're now in Seaside, and I'm walking out to Painted Rock Beach. I have a rock that I painted that I'm gonna leave here. Next stop is the cemetery here in Seaside. I want to visit my grandmother while I'm here. It's a must every time I come to the Oregon coast. She was a huge inspiration in my life. She's the one that taught me how to crochet. So I owe all my craftiness to her. Oh, it's starting to rain again. Picked a wonderful time to come to the coast, didn't we? We're gonna have a good time no matter what. Not gonna let the rain get us. Now making our way towards Rockaway to check into the little beach house rental that we got for the next couple nights. Once we get there, I'll do a little tour. We are now in Rockaway. We just got checked into our beach house rental for the next 2 nights. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough, show you the place. It's really cute. So you come in the front door right here. There's a table immediately to the left. TV. We've got a little couch. This couch here pulls out into a bed. To the right, we have a kitchen area with full-size fridge and freezer, toaster up there, microwave, stove and oven, tea kettle, coffee pot. There's dishes and silverware. There's some pots and pans. I did bring some of our own cook stuff just in case because I didn't know what was going to be here. Oh, that's nice. There's some poop bags in there. This is very pet friendly. Paper towels. There's a broom. Let's take a walk down the hall. Here's the bedroom. Cool. Closet. Has a fan. Some extra pillows. Not much of a view. That's the parking lot out there. Hi, Shorty. Are you checking things out? Do you approve? Can you get on the bed? You might need help. It's a little high. You don't have your step stool like you do at home. Okay, excuse me, honey. Excuse me, I'm still trying to do my tour. All right, come back here. And here is the bathroom. So, tub and shower. All the towels. The throne. Sink, not too bad. And then this door is the unit next door. So if you wanted to, you could get both units and have them joining, but there's somebody on the other side. But if we were to come here with a bigger group, we rent both units and then we could just open the door and go in between. Pete just left to go pick up some dinner. We're gonna have fish and chips for dinner. That sounds really good. So while he's gone, I'm gonna wipe down the table with our disinfectant wipes that I brought. Because you never know. I know it says that, you know, they do all this whole COVID cleaning and all the things, but for my peace of mind, I need to do the extra step. Pete's back. He got us fish and chips from the Sand Dollar Restaurant and Lounge, and those look really tasty. It's time to dig in. Dinner was really good, and now we're gonna go for a walk to kind of walk off some of that food. And I wanted to show you the outside of the place we're staying. This is it. The beach access is not even a block away. We went around the corner and bam! It's right there.
Beach toy library.
That is so cool. She's getting me some exercise. Whew. That's gonna do it for today's Vlogtober video heading to the beach. I hope you enjoyed today. We did a lot of fun activities, even though it was raining. We'll be back again tomorrow for another beach day adventure, so I'll see you then. Have a good night. Bye for now.